Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Test Automation World. Myself Pavan Suryavanshi. So today we are going to discuss the very important topic in Java programming language, that is control statements in Java. So let me open this presentation. So guys, in this tutorial, so I'm going to take a session on only if statement. So I'll explain. So today we are going to discuss the points as what is Java control statements. Second one is what are the types of control statements. Third one is what is if statement. And fourth one is I'll take a live example. So in this session I'm going to take a session on only one type, that is if statement. So let's have a glimpse on what is Java statements. So guys, Java provides statements that can be used to control the flow of Java code, and such statements are called control flow statements, and it is one of the fundamental features of Java programming language which provides smooth flow of program. And Java compiler executes the code from top to bottom, and the statement in the code are executed according to the order in which they appear. So in interview it will be useful. If interviewer will ask you what are the Java control statements, then you can use this definition. And second point is what are the types of control statements. So I have created one simple diagram for Java control statement. So in this guys, Java control statements has been divided into three types, that is decision making statements, second one is loop statements, and third one is jump statements. Okay, and we'll discuss with decision making statements. So again, decision making statements has been divided into two parts, that is if statements and switch statement. And again, if statement has been divided into four parts, that is simple if statements, if else statements, and if else if ladder, and fourth one is nested if statement. So we'll discuss one by one guys, so that you won't get any confused. First, I'll take a simple if statement only in this tutorial. So don't worry guys, I'll discuss one by one and I'll explain one by one. That is if else if nested, then switch. We'll jump on to loop statements as well, and later on we'll jump on jump statements. So one by one I'll explain. So in this tutorial we will focus on simple if statements. Okay, so let's move on next slide. What is simple if statement? So guys, the Java if statement is the most simple decision making statement. So it is the very simple decision making statement. It is used to decide whether a block of statements will be executed or not. Okay, so that is certain condition is true, then a block of statement is executed, otherwise not. So if we have declared the condition if, and then the statement is true, then only the condition will execute, otherwise it won't be executed. Okay, so you need to remember this in simple if statement. If the condition is true, then only it will execute, otherwise it won't. Okay, and the format of simple if statement is this. We need to declare if, then in bracket we have to declare condition, then in curly braces we have to declare statement. Okay, so you need to remember this guys. Okay, so let's jump on live example. So let me jump on Eclipse tool. Let me create a project. I'll say as simple if statement. Okay, then next, then finish. Okay, the project has been created. Under src folder we need to create a package. Okay, com dot simple if statement. Okay, I'll click on finish. Then under package we need to create a class. Okay, suppose I'll say name as test if statement. Okay, then I'll click on finish. As you can see, the class has been created, test if statement. Okay, so first of all let me create a method, that is main method. Public static void main okay, I have declared a main method. So simple, I'll take integer variable int a equal to, suppose I'll take 2. Okay, then int b equal to 4. Okay, so I have taken two integer, that is int a and b, and I have declared values as 2 and 4. Now I am declaring if condition. So we have to write if, then bracket, then suppose I'm giving a condition like okay, I'll take addition 1 plus b greater than, so a plus b means 6, so I'll take over here as 5. So I have to print this a plus b greater than 5. Okay, so system dot out dot println. Okay, a plus b greater than 5. Okay, so simple, I have taken two integer 2 and 4, and I have put a condition like a plus b, that is 6, greater than 5. Okay, so condition is true. Okay, and I have printed a plus b greater than 5. Very simple. Okay, so I'll save, then I'll run this. Okay, as you can see in the console, a plus b greater than 5. So very simple guys, I have declared a plus integer a as 2, b as 4, and I have put a condition a plus b. A plus b means 2 plus 4, that is 6, greater than 5. Okay, 6 is greater than 5. So I have just printed then a plus b greater than 5, then 6 is greater than 5, as you can see the output. Okay, let me create one more example for more clarity. I'll name as test if 1. Okay, I'll declare main method. Okay, In this example, I suppose I am taking string, suppose language equal to Java. Okay, simple, I am declaring a string, that is Java, and I am taking if condition. Okay, if language equal to Java. So in Java we have to, for equal we have to use the operators. So if you are not aware about operators in Java, so I have taken a session on operators in Java in previous videos, so you can go through that, and if you have any queries then let me know in the comment section as well, so I'll cover that as well. So simple, I have declared string language equal to Java, then I put a condition. Okay, if language equal to Java, then I'm printing system dot out dot print ln. Okay, I'll print as, okay, best programming. Okay, so the condition is language equal to Java, then only it will print base programming language. Okay, so I'll save and I'll run. As you can see the console, it has printed as base programming language. So simple guys, we need to declare any data type according to the requirement, and we have to put a condition, simple if statement. So in if condition we have to put a condition. In this I have declared a language equal to Java, then it will print as based programming language. So that's it regarding simple if statement. So if you have any queries then let me know in the comment section, so I'll provide a solution, a specific solution. And if you want me to cover any additional points and any additional topic regarding simple if or control statements, so I'll take that as well. And don't worry guys, so regarding this I'll take one by one explanation and examples. So the reason is that I'm taking one by one, that is you won't get confused regarding this types, if statement, switch, loops and jump. So one by one we will see that. So thank you guys, see you in the next session.